Hello everyone, my name is Andrée-Ann and I'm a dietetic intern working with Christy Webb, and today I'm going to show you how to bake some peanut butter cookies. So when you want to bake, the very first thing you really want to do is preheat your oven. So I did mine at 375 degrees. So it's gonna warm up since while we baking. So for just an easier purpose, I already put some ingredients in my bowl. So I will just show you the ingredients. You will see the slide. So 1 cup of honey, another cup of peanut butter, a quarter cup of margarine, another quarter cup of sugar, 1 egg, a quarter cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup and 3/4 of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of instant oat, a teaspoon of baking soda, a cup of, for me it's gonna be a cup of chocolate, but you can, I'm gonna show you other example of what you can put at the end. So let's bake. So I already put the maple syrup, peanut butter, margarine, and vanilla in my bowl. I'm gonna add the eggs right here. So a whole egg. After that, the milk. So the milk, the only milk that I had here it was soy milk, but you can use any milk that you have in your fridge here. So I'm gonna mix everything together. And just make sure that when you're mixing it, it's gonna take a little while since the peanut butter is super hard to mix. But yeah, just make sure that it looks all well mixed together with no big peanut butter. The nice thing about baking your own is that you know what you put in your cookies or bread or anything, so it's nice to do. And in those cookies it's nice because there is some peanut butter in it, so some source of protein, so it's nice for a good snack on the hand. And it's making a lot of cookies, this recipe, so you can freeze some of your cookies after when they are baked. So you can have them super easily when you're maybe on the morning rush. You can have your cookies. So that's pretty much done. Now that every humid ingredients are blended together, I'm gonna have the baking soda. So 1 teaspoon of it. And if you want to try it with your child, your children, super nice reaction when you're adding actually the baking soda, all chemical. Oh, see, my oven is ready now. So adding it, mixing it in the bowl. And what I like also about the recipe is that you're gonna do it only 1 bowl. So next ingredient is 3 cups of instant oats here. And 3, and the flour, so 1 cup and 3/4 cup, and 3/4 here. And finally the chocolate chips, so 1 cup of it. And don't hesitate to reuse the same measuring cup since you won't have to clean a lot of stuff. And after that, again, mix. And when you're mixing it, just make sure that you're not over mixing it. So really make sure that you want to humidify your flour and oat, but not over mix it. So when it's going to be wet, stop mixing. So this is done. Next step is putting it on baking sheet. So here I really like to use the ice cream spoon since it's making equal cookie size. So just using it, and you will see I'm gonna need 2 sheets since it's making a lot of it. I'm going to make a super big last one for my boyfriend. He likes it when they are super big. It's like 2 cookies in one. Here we go. So I'm going to put the 2 plates in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have a converting oven, just put 1 at a time, and I will see you with the results. Let's see if it's ready. Yes, it is. Yay! Here. Miss. Look at this, and it smells amazing, and I really like to put it on the grill after. Let it cool down, so put it all on the grill. Then you want to wait to let it cool down as much as possible. So I will see you maybe in 5 minutes to taste it. So now it's my favorite time when I'm baking is to taste it. And I don't know which one having, this one having a lot of chocolate chips, and it's still warm. It's been maybe 5 minutes and it's super warm, and the chocolate is still melt. It tastes amazing. So you can have this as a snacks, as a breakfast. If you don't have time to cook you a breakfast, you can have 1 or 2 cookies with maybe some milk to have some protein to your breakfast as a snack. It's super easy to grab, and as I told you, it's making, like you can see, there's a lot of them. So you can freeze some of them, or you can enjoy them. Just put them in a sealed container for about a week. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe I will see you in another one.